So the latest Android update, Android OS 2.2 Froyo, has finally came out for the Droid X. So here's how you install it. So you go to Settings, you go down to About Phone, and you go to System Updates right at the top. Now this is what comes up. Now you see it's saying the update is available. The update will be downloaded automatically starting. It counts down. To view the release notes, press download to continue, or press later to be reminded in 12 hours. So to check for the updates, you go to Settings, download it, phone. Let it download. If you press it again, it does show an update is currently being downloaded and will be notified when it's completed. If you can see up at the top, it shows downloading updates. 1%. 2%. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video. I'll come back when it's done downloading. Okay, so it's at 92%. And so far it's taken between 5 and 10 minutes. And I'm using Verizon's network to download this update. Let's just give it like another minute or 30 seconds. It should bring up a notification when it's complete. And like my brother says, it's thundering, lightning, there's storms out. There's not, it's like a light drizzle, so I don't know. Just thought I'd let you know how the weather is here. So it should be almost done. I don't know, let me check. Okay, it's done, so I don't know if something's gonna pop up or what. Let me check. Okay, yeah. So there it is. The update has been downloaded and is ready to install, and this could take up to 5 minutes. Upon completion, the phone will power off and then power on. The update will be installed automatically starting in 2 minutes and 40 seconds. And you will not be able to make or receive calls, including 911 calls, so if you're in an emergency, it's best to wait. So either press install now to install it, or later to install it in 12 hours from now. So let's see, 12 hours from now, looks like it'll be 3:15 in the morning, which I hope I would be asleep by then. So I'm going to install it now. There it is. So it just turned off, that's all it did. I think it might turn back on. Okay, so there's the Motorola logo. Then we got like a little Android there. Hopefully my camera will focus. It doesn't look like it will very much, but it's an Android logo with a open box with an arrow coming out of it. So I guess it's installing. There's the little installation bar of how far it's completed. So not halfway yet. This might be kind of fast. I don't know. So I'm just going to keep this up. Then I kind of want to show you guys how long it will take. The battery feels like it's getting warm, so it's using a lot of battery power. I hope my battery does not die by now. It probably won't, but yeah, I don't think it will. Because then I'd have to SBF it back to 2.1 and start all over again, which I would not want to do. And also, this is my first install, so I'm just going with it. Okay, so over halfway done. And it looks like the brightness is kind of up all the way, but to me it's actually kind of dim. The screen's kind of dim for me, so I mean, you can definitely still read it, but it's just not where I would want the brightness to be. Okay, so it looks like it's almost done. Oh no, so if you decide to install it later, all you have to do is just go back to settings, about phone, and system updates to just install it there. So you don't have to wait 12 hours. But you have to wait for that notification to come up on its own. If you didn't go to settings and do all that. Right now, oh. Okay, so just did that. I think it might power back on. I'm not sure. Yep. So there's the Motorola logo, Droid, and the eye. It's watching you. I don't know, I guess maybe the first power on after you install it takes maybe a minute, 2 minutes longer than usual, but it's normal. Okay, so it just vibrated. And I did have the sound on vibrate, so I think usually when it vibrates, you hear Droid, but I don't know. Okay, so see, we got call, contacts, application menu. Okay, so went to that. There's the lock screen, and all it did was update it. It didn't erase anything off of it. So there's the new lock screen. I'm gonna go through this new OS update with all of you. I don't know, in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to me. Like it, comment on it if you want to. And let's see, it's 3:22. So the update took a little over 5 minutes, not including the download. Download speeds will vary depending on where you are and if you are connected to Wi-Fi or Verizon. So follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/CacsTech. I will keep you posted with new stuff, or new stuff I get, new stuff I hear. I'll tell you a little bit about this update, but I'll definitely do a video telling you all about it, not a few things that I would say on Twitter. So I think that's it. I hope it is. I don't want this video to get too long. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.